Good morning, dear children, and welcome you all to today's online English class. Let us read today's topic, that is the Missile Man of India. Dear children, before starting the text, let me ask you a question. Can you say who we remember as the Missile Man of India? And what do you know about him? Yes, you're right. He's none other than our 11th President, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. And he was widely referred as People's President. Today we will read 4 paragraphs of this text. So let's start reading the text. Abdul Fakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam, better known as Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, was one of the most distinguished scientists of India. As he was intimately involved in India's civilian space program and military missile development efforts, he came to be known as the Missile Man of India. In 2002, he was elected as 11th President of India and was widely referred to as the People's President. Dr. Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 in a Tamil Muslim family at Rameshwaram in the state of Tamil Nadu. His father, Jainuddin, was a boat owner and the imam of a local mosque. His mother, Ashiyama, was a housewife. His father owned a ferry that took Hindu pilgrims back and forth between Rameshwaram and Dhanushkodi. Kalam was the youngest of 4 brothers and 1 sister in his family. His ancestors had been wealthy traders and landowners, but in course of time the family fell on hard times and lost their properties, even their ancestral home. By his early childhood, the family had already become poor. Kalam had to sell newspapers to supplement his family's income. Kalam started his elementary education at Ramanathapuram. He had a science teacher named Siva Subramanya Iyer, who was very loving and affectionate. He always inspired Kalam to develop his skills so that he could compete with highly educated people in big cities. Once he invited the boy home for a meal, which his wife disliked and refused to serve a Muslim child like him. His teacher himself served Kalam while she watched them eat from behind the kitchen door. But his behavior, way of taking the meal and cleaning the floor changed her attitude. When the teacher invited Kalam for the second time, his wife welcomed him and served him food herself. Kalam then moved to the Schwartz Higher Secondary School for his secondary education. In his school years, he had average grades but was considered a bright and hardworking student who had a strong desire to learn. He spent hours on his studies, especially mathematics. After completing his studies here, Kalam was admitted to St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli, where he graduated in physics in 1954. His dream in his life was to become a pilot, so he applied for studying engineering at the Madras Institute of Technology. He was selected, but education at such a prestigious institution was not so easy. It was an expensive affair. Around 1,000 rupees was required to pay towards the course fee. Asim Suhra, his compassionate elder sister, came to his help. She mortgaged her gold ornaments for his admission fee, and he completed his aerospace engineering in 1960. Let's go through with some difficult words and its meanings. Distinguish. Its meaning is successful or famous. Intimately. It means closely. Efforts means attempts or try. Ferry. Ferry means a boat or ship which carries passengers and goods from one place to another. Involve. Involve means taking part. Civilian. Civilian means that which is not related to armed forces. Widely referred to. It means popularly known. Imam. Imam means a religious man who leads the prayer in a mosque. Ancestor. A person in a family who lived a long time ago. Ancestral. Ancestral means belonging to people older than grandparents. Trader. A person who buys and sells things as a job. Desire. Desire means children. To make your understanding more clear, I am going to tell you the gist of the story. So kindly listen it carefully and try to understand. This part of the text gives information about Kalam's early childhood, his family, his village, his elementary education, how he had sell newspapers to supplement his family's income. It also tells us about his science teacher, his secondary schooling, and his aerospace engineering. He was an average grade student, but he was considered as a bright and hardworking student who had a strong desire to learn. And to help him in his study, his sister, his compassionate sister, helped him. This is what we read in these four paragraphs of this text. Hope you all understand the text till paragraph 4. Thank you. Hope you all understand the text. Thank you for watching.